Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Naveen and you're watching Aesthetic Coda YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to install Ollama and DeepSeek AI in your local machine. So first we need to go to ollama.com. So once you visit this page, you should see download option. So click on the download button and you should see this page download Ollama. So depending upon your OS, you can select one option. So if you're using Mac, you can select the Mac, or if you're using Linux, you can select Linux. So here I'm using Windows. So I have selected Windows and you have to click on download button. So yes, so I have already downloaded it, so I'll not be downloading here again. So once it's download is done, so you have to install that MSI application. So once the download is completed, so just go to your terminal and type this command ollama space hyphen hyphen version. So if you have successfully installed Ollama, so then you should see the version at 0.5.7. So once it is done, so in this video, so we'll be talking about like how to install DeepSeek AI. So I'll just download that. So you should come again for this page and see if you are able to see this DeepSeek R1. So just click on that. So there are multiple versions, so depending upon your system configurations, so you can select those versions and you can try, but here depending upon my system configuration, I have selected 7B. So you just have to copy this command and you have to run it in your terminal. So as I have already did this, so I'll just have to paste this command and enter. So this will give a success message. So once it is done, you can just play whatever you want. Okay, so now it's done. So I'll just give a small command. So see now. Yes, yeah, so it started giving us a code. You can see here. This is giving us a complete explanation like how to use, where to use everything. So this is really good. You can also try with multiple commands using this. So thanks for watching here. So if you found this useful, please do like, share and subscribe for more content. Thank you.